Hey, ETE people! Let me introduce Sesta Lab, what we are doing, what we can do, and how we can provide you an adding value. We are in Tuscany, but not because beauty, culture, or luxury, but because we have had the right environment to perform almost 30 years of services in energy and transportation industries. Our clients often are partners because we do research together with reciprocal respect to achieve the technology results, the unique target. Generally, who came to the lab to develop own technology are huge companies, often OEMs, and sometimes final users, but with high engineering skills. Lab's typical offer is a test of combustion system with several final applications like oil and gas, aeronautical, or power gen. Basically, we provide compressed and heated air and fuels. At the end of the day, we deliver measures as emissions, thermodynamics magnitude, pictures, videos, or measures from optical analysis, like velocimetry, so how the flow goes, temperature field or field of particular radicals, like OH. It is a very useful to identify the shape of the flame and its behaviors. It's common when people talk about a lab, people think about a small room with small objects. Our lab is definitely different. Sesta Lab is a real industrial plant, recently upgraded with a new test cell and a new compressor train. Have a look at some iconic instruments of the lab. Lasers, high-frequency camera, control room, test cell, instruments, and a lot of cables. During the years, we have collected an impressive air system, and also what is necessary to manage not conventional fuels like hydrogen at not conventional conditions, and tons of system of measurement. The lab has also some competitive advantages, like connection to the high voltage national grid, it is close to a geothermal power generation plant, and it is isolated from villages and towns. At the same time, we have achieved several skills, like collecting a worldwide portfolio in a high reference markets, delivering a sensible adding value to complex R&D programs, increasing quality and ability to shape the lab to the following challenge. But for me, the most important, we have been credible for giants on a very delicate topics as the development of their technology. Now, we push to change the lab under the light of sustainability, but leveraging on our current asset and experience. We wish to be in touch to whom imagines next technology, to do it together. Here, some tips on how we can support projects. It could be in fuel cell testing, aerodynamic testing with different fluids and particular conditions, heat exchange testing, chemical application, for instance, for new green fuels, or in green energy storage, not only as a demo, but also as a full-time plant. This is a list of ideas, not a limit. So, if you are even just curious about the lab, we are waiting for you for a coffee to have a look what we are. Feel free to contact me for any clarification. And please add us on LinkedIn. Ciao!